Yes, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Educational Crickets. Since I am a mathematics teacher, today we are going to read our first chapter, and in the first chapter we are going to do our first exercise, exercise 1.1. Before doing exercise, we will read some important points, some definitions relevant to that exercise. After that, we will jump to our exercise and we will complete all the questions one by one. At the end, I will give you assignment to practice it at home. So please practice it. We will not submit it. We will not do everything. It's for your benefit. Practice it. Okay. And let us start. Chapter number 1, set. Introduction. We often speak some words in our daily life which represent a collection of things, for example, a team of players, a bunch of flowers. But in mathematics, we can use a single word set to denote all such type of things. इधर उन्हें कहा है कि हम डेली लाइफ में बहुत से ऐसे लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करते हैं जैसे टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स, बंच ऑफ कीज, बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स. मैथ्स में हम इनको सिर्फ एक लफ्ज से बोल सकते हैं. वो लफ्ज क्या है? वो सेट है. आइए हम सेट्स की डेफिनेशन चेक करते हैं. A collection of distinct and well defined objects is called a set. सेट की डेफिनेशन है कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड एंड डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. वेल डिफाइंड और डिस्टिंक्ट को हम इसके आगे चल के पढ़ेंगे. The objects of a set are called its members or elements. It's very important MCQ. You can mark it, and set definition is also important as your short question. Is well defined. What is well defined? Well defined means a specific property of an object that enables it to be an element of a set or not. It make it clear. Consider the following examples of collection. The collection of good stories, the collection of tasty foods, the collection of favorite poems. This is the well defined. Well defined basically एक specific property है, खास property है object की जो उसको एक set का element बनाता है या नहीं बनाता है. हमने well defined की definition पढ़ ली. इसके बाद हम distinct की definition पढ़ेंगे. आप में से अक्सर बच्चों को आती होगी distinct की definition. Distinct means the same object should not appear more than once. For example, the set of letters of word small is S, comma M, comma A, comma L, and in that the spelling of small is double L, but because of distinct, it is single L. So this is a distinct object of a set. Okay, let us move forward. Set notations. A set is represented by a capital letter A, B, C till Z. In our daily life, we speak that we are gonna having meeting on at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. That 2 here is shown by these 3 small dots of these 3 small dots. A set is represented by the set of pets is represented by A, and similarly we can write the members of set A as set A means set of pets. Cow, this small type of this E is a type of you can say E is here. Yes, it means here belongs to. This E means belongs to A. Cow belongs to A is read as cow is an element of set A. Similarly, goat, here I have also marked it. Okay, any confusion? Okay, let us move forward. Yes, after that, we are having the definition, or you can say a short note about this symbol belongs to. The symbol, this E, is a the symbol belongs to is a Greek letter which is used to tell that an object is an element of, or belongs to, or is a member of. These three are used to mean this E. A set and symbol having a line on this belongs to symbol means does not belong to. Let us move to our exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Which of the following statements is set or not? I have shown you, or I have described you all the definitions before it, and now I am going to the question number 1 of exercise 1.1. This is question number 1. Which of the following is set or not? Number 1, the 5 provinces of Pakistan. It's a set. The 5 provinces of Pakistan is a set. Number 2, the difficult questions of a test. It's not a set. Number 3, the geometrical instruments. It's a set. Number 4, the naughty boys of street. It's not a set. After 4, it's 5, the capital letters of English alphabet. It's a set. Number 6, the players of Pakistan cricket team. Also a set. 7, the sharp boys of school. Not a set. 8, the natural number less than 50. Set. The whole number less than 9. It's also a set. Some students do mistake here. They mixes natural number and whole number. The difference between natural number and whole number is the natural number does not have 0, rather it's same, and whole number have 0. Just it is a difference between these two. Yeah. Question number 2. If A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, set of vowels, and B, A, B, C to Z, then which of the following statements are true and false? Number 1, A belongs to A. A belongs to set A. Let us see. It's true. Second, B belongs to set A. It's false because there is no B in set A. After that, third, D does not belongs to set A. It's true. 4, C does not belongs to B. It's false because you can see C is here in set B. Number 5, I belongs to B. No, it's false. Sorry. It's true because it is complete alphabets here. It is B is the complete set of alphabets. Sorry, it's true. 6, I belongs to set A. It's also true. Number 7, F belongs to A. It's false because there is no F in set A. Number 8, V belongs to A. It's also false because there is no V in set A. 9, X does not belongs to A. True. 10, Z belongs to B. True. 11, M does not belongs to B. False. 12, A belongs to set B. It's also true. So we are completing our questions one by one. We have completed our second question now. Now we'll jump to our third question. Third question is filling the blanks by using either of the symbols. E means belong to, and does not belong to. So number 1 here is 1 dash set set starts 2 3. It does not belongs to, one does not belongs to, second is b dash set abc. It will be belongs to set abc. Number 3, I dash the set of vowels. It's also here belongs to. 4, snake, the pets, the set of pets. It does not belong to. Snake does not belongs to. Yes. After that, 15 dash the set of counting numbers. I think so. It's belong to. It belongs to 6 0. The set of whole number 0 belongs to set of whole number. 7, goalkeeper dash the set of cricket team does not belongs to, because there is no goalkeeper in cricket team. It's in football team. Number 8, B dash the set of small letters of English alphabets. Here you can see B is written in capital letter, so it does not belong to. 9, notebook, set of articles of school bag. I think so belongs to. Obviously belongs to. 10, lion, the set of jungle animals belongs to. You can see here the key. I think so. I have done. It's correct. So let's move to next question. Question number 4. Write the following statements into the symbolic form. Symbolic form is that belongs to or not belongs to. 0 is an element of set W. Yes, 0 belongs to set W. Lahore is a member of set P. Lahore belongs to P. 3. 1 is not element of set E. 1 does not belong to set E. 4. Send does not belong to set B. Send does not belong to set B. Here you have to write in the symbolic form. 5. Potato is an element of set V. Potato belongs to V. 0, O belongs to set A. O belongs to A. C is not an element of set C. C does not belongs to C. Mango is not member of set F. Mango does not belongs to F. 5 is an element of set N. 5 belongs to N. 4 is not an element of set O. 4 does not belongs to O. So we have completed our fourth question. So there are two questions remaining, question number 5 and question number 6. Let's jump to next question. Yes. Question number 6. List the elements of the following sets. The set of 5 countries and so far. Yes. The set of 5 countries. Pakistan, India, China, America, Japan. Remember, you have to put comma between every element of set. It is must. If you will not, your marks will be deducted in your paper, in your exams. The set of 3 games: cricket, hockey, football. The set of first 10 natural numbers 1 to 10. In this, you have to write all, or you can just put 1 to 3 till 10. The set of following 8, the set of first 8 even numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, these are even. 5, the set of vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The set of last 4 months: September, October, November, December. The set of 7 days of a week: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All the days of week. Number 8, the set of color of Pakistan's flag. Our country's flag color is, everyone knows it, green, white. The set of 5 rivers of Punjab: Ravi, Chenab, Satluj, Jhelum, Sindh. The set of 3 Islamic months: Muharram, Ramazan, Shawwal. You can also write any other Islamic months. It's not compulsory that you have to write these. But here, you look at the question number 6, the set of last 4 months. It's compulsory that you have to write this, because these are the last 4 months. Not any other months are the last 4 ones. So do not write January, February, March, April. It is compulsory to write this. Okay. Okay, now moving to your assignment. As you know, I have missed your assignment. I have not done here the question number 5, so it's your assignment. Do it by yourself at your home. It's your practice. It's very easy question. I will not check it. We will not check it. Our channel or our teachers will not check it. It's just for your betterment that we are giving this assignment. We will not check it. Uh, full we are having full confidence on our students. Okay, thank you very much for your thank you very much for your all the cooperation of students. And we are doing our sixth class course. We are covering our sixth class course day by day. So thank you for all of you. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.